long has it been? Someone tell me, how long has it been? 4 months? So many things has happened in those 4 months. But we never did go uploads. You already know it's going to be a treat. Masked Arab is back. Habibi, Akhi from the area. Akhi is back. Habibi is back. I've said this, I made the video saying Habibi is back 5 times. But this time is actually the longest break he's ever taken. He's back just like that with another fucking banger. And I'm so hyped, man. I'm so hyped. So we're not going to talk anymore because you've been waiting long enough. And I've been waiting long enough. So without further ado, we're going to be reacting to Masked Arabs roasting literally everyone on Omegle again. These are his best videos. These are his funniest videos. And I love reacting to these videos. So the fact that we're back after 4 months, it's a treat, man. It's a treat. Wallahi, it's a treat. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Trying to reach 600 subscribers, all right? If you don't know me, my name's Cynical Baz. I do reaction videos and I also play video games. So if you're into either one of those, check out your boy, man, and hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get this shit.
You see this chart? 90% of you people who are watching don't even subscribe. So what are you doing? Subscribe to the channel and enjoy the video. Peace.
Already, man, what am I seeing, bro? Already, what am I seeing? Oh, bro, I haven't heard that in a long time.
Are you Muslim?
Yeah, I'm Muslim.
Ah, it's Muslim in Pakistan.
What? Bro, if that bed could talk, it's gonna be screaming right now.
Oh!
I don't know how. It's holding up, bro, but
He needs some milk.
It's already roasted this. Oh my god.
damn.
That ain't right, bro. That ain't right. Anyway, I want to say something. I forgot what I want to say, but I want to say something. Bro.
That guy came straight from Minecraft. What the hell? What? Yo.
No, Logan
Viking
Paul, bro. What do you
What
mean?
the fuck?
Are you Muslim?
Yeah, I am.
I hate Muslim men.
Oh.
Why
Why you hate me? Hey, you hate Andrew Tate? Andrew Tate's Muslim, bro. You hate Andrew Tate?
did she skip? I was gonna tell her we don't like pork either.
Yeah, we don't like it. It's khanzir.
Yo, what's up?
Not much. What's up with you?
You British?
British.
The Queen's dead.
Hey, look.
What a legend.
What's up?
What's up, man?
I know you, bro. You bombed my house.
Oh, Akbar.
Oh my god.
Come on, bro.
Hell yeah, we on the same team, cuz.
How?
No, I blow up cities, you blow up toilets. We're not on the same team. Hey,
That was good, bro.
Al Akbar.
Man, what the fuck is this McDonald's gaming?
Come on.
Bro, like, how the hell did this guy come up with a quick roast like that? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I aspire to be like that one day.
Did you understand that?
Yeah.
I'm very fluent in terrorist.
Shut the fuck up.
What's up?
Oh, whoops, I didn't move my camera. Sorry. My bad.
So,
You got something mean to say?
no.
Well, I got something mean to say.
Say it.
You look like Mickey Mouse.
No.
Joke.
Hey, yo, man, what are you
Yo,
doing?
Why you look like a Roblox character? What the hell? Yo!
Hey, they know him.
I know you. That's not the guy. No, he is the guy.
They know him.
Bro, I actually follow you everywhere. Don't diss me. Don't diss me, please. That's actually him. Yes, that's him. Oh my god.
He's getting recognized now,
I'm
bro.
gonna diss you. 1, 2, 3. Which one you look like? I'm just kidding.
Who? Where is plan?
Bro, man.
Where is plan? Hey,
Where's
Ah,
Six guy joke.
That was funny, not gonna lie. That was funny.
Hey, that was actually pretty funny, bro. I gotta lie.
You play lots of Counter Strike, huh?
Even I,
Yes.
I've never touched a Counter Strike game in my life, but I already know that was a Counter Strike reference.
About 1 key hour.
1,000 hours on
Good life.
Counter-Strike,
Yes.
damn. Imagine you spend that on the gym.
Oh shit!
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
Oh shit!
I'm breaking by.
No,
Hey, you
it's
started, bro.
okay,
Come
it's
on.
okay,
You
it's
started,
okay,
bro.
it's
Okay,
okay, it's
okay.
okay, it's okay.
My sister died.
Oof.
Despacito,
Yo.
I swear to God, I think I seen you on TikTok. 1 second, okay? 1 second.
Alright.
2 seconds later.
Oh no, he's gonna violate her.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Where'd she go for
Please
violated?
forgive me. I had to do it. I'm sorry. I had to do it. We good though? Mate, you wanna make fun?
Nah,
of
she's
me?
crying.
No, I'm good.
Bro, she's gonna cry herself to sleep, bro. What the hell did you do to her? Haram alek.
Make fun of me. I'm telling you.
Haram alek, bro. What'd you do?
But,
Are you single?
yeah.
Can I have a kiss?
If we say no homo after that, sure.
Alright.
Alright, come.
Alright, kiss him. Go. Kiss him.
Full homo.
Hey, made you gay. Made you gay.
Nice Halloween custom, bro.
Astaghfirullah. Oh. Hey, it's a Spurs hat.
Your ears! Where did some of your ears go?
Oh shit! But I'll never understand why people get those earrings, bro. Those they look like they hurt. What do they cut off half your ear, bro? I'm so confused.
Where did the plan go on 9/11?
Hey yo!
That would be for my uncle to answer. I don't know.
Fortnite.
Fortnite.
Babaji. Fortnite. Xbox Series in the PlayStation 5. PlayStation 5. PlayStation 5.
Person's gonna blow up the whole school?
Oh, impressive. The whole back is.
So,
Wow.
what? You
Why'd you get offended? You made the joke first. Why'd you get offended?
started first. Come on. I know what you was gonna say. I know what you were gonna say.
What was I gonna say?
It starts with A.
I was gonna say that.
No, like, but
But then I stopped myself. I stopped myself.
Good job. Thank you.
Hey,
I see
character
Paris
development.
behind you.
Oh yeah.
Who was there?
Our neighbors.
Ah. Okay, I thought you said it, bro. Okay.
I like that.
yeah, okay. Swap out one racist for the other.
What the fuck?
Hey yo!
What is this?
Hey yo!
What the hell is this? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Got the devil on the nose, bro. What the
Bro, you need
fuck?
God.
You need
America needs God.
True. Well, at least my parents love me. So.
What?
Your parents love you.
Oh, cap, bro. You know damn well because you're doing this. It's because the reason your parents don't love you. Trying to get attention. What the fuck is that on your nose, bro?
Yeah. I have something that you don't.
You got nice jokes.
Oh.
Anyway.
Oh. Oh my god. Bro, stop, bro. That fuck shit like that makes you squeamish, bro. That's
Brother,
disgusting.
You look like the iPhone emoji. I'm gonna show you. 1 second.
True. That's true.
Can you send me $20? Can you send me $20?
Can you get it,
Give me a
Khara?
reason to send you $20.
I'll show you my boobs.
Hey yo.
The microscope for that, probably.
Yo.
What? Hey, I don't want to see your boobs, okay? I'm a man of God.
Plus of that, you looks underage, bro. So lucky you didn't catch a case, most Arab, bro. Catch a case.
What the fuck?
It's probably double jointed.
You, me, a backpack. Hear me out.
In a flirty way or a racist way?
I'm Muslim.
Oh!
Oh.
Okay. So in a flirty way.
I suppose. I mean, maybe.
Well, don't repeat that again.
Sorry, my bad. Astaghfirullah.
Yeah. that's
Astaghfirullah.
right. Repent to God now. I'm not a simp, okay?
I'll give you my baba's number though.
Man's got that reason, bro. He's got that strong game on the Muslim women, bro. Respect. Oh, she got scared of him.
Miku! Hatsune Miku!
Oh, not this anime shit again, bro. Come on, don't start this. Don't. Ayo!
Oh my god.
Out of. Disgusting. Out of.
It's sweet like you.
What's up with all this disgust?
I love you! I love your videos!
But you already know when it makes ending like this, that means he's gonna end the video. When someone recognizes him.
You subscribe though?
Yeah. What?
with the
Notification bell, yep.
yeah. Let's go.
Wholesome interaction. Awesome interaction.
Let's go. 100,000 likes for this guy. No, wait. 1 million.
Yeah, 1 million. 1 million.
Yeah.
But what the hell?
I wanna kill my mom. I wanna
Kill my mom! Wanna kill my dad!
kill my dad.
What the hell?
Disgusting, bro.
Trauma.
But what the hell?
How can you get any more cringe, bro? He did not say anything regarding his absence. He just went and made a freaking banger video. And I respect it, bro. I respect it. I respect it. I already like the video because you know it's going to be banger. Bro, come on, man. Come on, man. Thank God you're back. Habibi is back. That's it. That's all I'm going to comment. Because, you know, this guy's one of the legends. This guy needs to upload more, though. Us Arab, please upload more. Otherwise, I'll see you guys who only watch me for these reactions in the next 4 months. So make sure you like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So you can see me more often. Alright? Why not see me more often? I'm a handsome man. Okay. See ya. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.
حبيبي بابا حضرنا جينا عصابة عشنا